Good morning. It is Sunday, and something I never ever thought I would ever say in any vlog is I am indeed at the gym. I have a workout class in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go do that, and then I will head back to the house to have a Sunday reset type of situation. It's a couple hours later. I watched some YouTube, had some lunch, and as you saw, I went to Lowe's and picked up some paint. I love the way this looks, but the second I started painting this a year and a half ago, before there was any furniture, my friend and I were here like late at night just painting away, the first thing that came out of my mouth was that it looked like Eeyore. It's just giving Eeyore to me. It probably just looks gray to like most people, which I get. A lot of the times grays will have certain tints to them. Some will tint more of a gray beige, blue, green, or purple. And I get Eeyore purple vibes from it. Right now in the light, like it looks fine. Now I just look crazy for repainting a room. But I've just had this Eeyore feeling inside me for over a year and a half, and I decided to get some new paint. If I repaint it for it to be just a slightly lighter gray brown color, I think I will enjoy the space a little bit more. Like when I stand up here, like see how dark it looks? Like it just gives Eeyore. And I know I'm being so picky, but this is my office, it's my house, I can do whatever I want with it, and I just, why not? So I have all the stuff and I'm going to repaint. So I figured a safe bet was the Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. But this is the current state of the office. So I have a day bed in here, the pictures, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to start moving things away from the wall and start painting. I just have to do it. I just have to do it. I think once I do it, I will feel better and we'll be good. Here is the before. Okay, as you can see behind me, I patched any hole that either I wasn't gonna put something back into, or if there was just like a little nick on the wall that I missed when I first painted. So the whole wall is empty. I have all of the stuff behind me to start painting. So here's the last look of the room before we paint it. All right, here's the first look at the paint color. All right, here it is. We have Agreeable Gray in here. We're gonna give her a mix and then start painting. All right, here's the color. All right, here we go. I'll do the first brush stroke with you guys. All right, no going back once I do this. Contact. Oh yeah, oh yeah, here we go. I shall continue to paint. All right, we have terrible lighting, but I've made some progress. So I've done about half of the walls with the trim and then the baseboards. But honestly, I don't really feel like moving the bed right now, and I'm really just eager to start painting with the roller. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, we have major progress. We have most of coat 1 on half of it all done. So we have the new gray here versus the old gray. And so now I need to take down these picture frames and then move the bed into the middle of the room so I can paint behind it. But I just want to do a comparison because obviously, yes, these are both gray. This is obviously lighter, this is obviously darker. Looking at the two, you can't tell me that this doesn't look a little purple in comparison. Like obviously this one has more of the beigey green tint, and this one definitely has like purple underneath. Does it not? Like yes, the contrast of like this versus this looks nice, but I just love a good gray. So you can obviously see the first coat. There's, you know, some spots that I need to go back and redo, but so far, so good. While we are waiting for the paint to dry, I want to take a second to thank Merit for sponsoring this portion of the video. I have worked with them before and I'm working with them again to talk about their Black Friday sale. This is their only sale of the entire year where you can get 20% off site-wide, and then they have daily doorbusters happening until Cyber Monday on November 28th. I'm pretty sure I have almost every single one of their products at this point since they have become a staple in my everyday makeup routine. But the two I have today is the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. And I just love a good serum, especially being in my like early to mid 20s. When I was in high school, I would definitely like cake on the foundation and the powder, and I've really loved using this serum in the morning, either before my makeup or in place of my makeup, just to give me a bit more of a brighter, glowing skin, especially in the winter time here where it is cold and I'm just not as tan. I really love this serum and it's just given me a very nice and subtle glow throughout the day. And then when I do wear makeup, I have the Flush Balm in the color Cheeky. So easy to apply. Sometimes I just do little taps, sometimes I'll do like a little like swish if I want some extra colors. Obviously that is pretty pigmented, but I will just take my fingers to blend it out, or I will use a brush. But it's just so easy to apply, especially with all of their other products. I have their foundation stick and their cream highlighter as well, and they just all blend so seamlessly together. And this is coming from somebody that used to cake her face in high school, that these products just feel so lightweight and creamy on my skin. And I really loved how I've evolved from, you know, doing my makeup in high school versus now as an adult, you know, not doing anything too crazy. As somebody that works a 9-to-5 but is remote and on camera a lot of the time, it just adds such a nice color to my skin, just so I look a bit more awake, more put together. Of course, these products will be featured in the sale, and I will have a link down below for you guys to purchase. And every first order will ship with their signature bag. So whether you are looking to give a couple gifts for yourself this holiday season, or these are really amazing stocking stuffers, I just want to thank Merit again for sponsoring this section of the video. Okay, it is hours later. I don't know how long this really took me, but it is all done. So we have the walls all done, over there is all done. So everything has 2 coats, and now everything is in the middle of the office. So this is a mess. I'm going to clean that-ish up tonight, and then I will check in with you guys in the morning for the final reveal of how it all turned out. Okay, so the last time you saw this office, let me give you a reminder of what it looked like. It had that Eeyore purpley gray color, and I have probably moved the desk around at least 3 or 4 times as I have filmed different work days in my life. We now have a day bed in here, so this can double as a guest room. Majority of the wall art is back and installed. I'm still kind of figuring out the decor that I want against the wall where the desk is. But you know what, besides that, I'm really happy with the way this office turned out. I have new blinds, I have new curtains, and I just think it looks so good, and I'm very happy with it. So let's get into the reveal. Reveal in 3, 2, one. Here is what the office finally looks like. I am so excited and I think it looks amazing. So let me give you a little tour of what we have going on. When you first walk in, I have had this blank wall that has been here for a while, and I am just obsessed with these acrylic shelves from Amazon. I will link them down below, but I really like the way I ended up styling them. So I just have some fun stickers that I've made, some of my jewelry holders, favorite sunglasses, and then my little fun pops of color from all the paintings that I've done. But I just think it's such a fun visual for when you first walk in. And then as you come in, if you guys remember, I've had the desk right here against this wall before, so my back was to the closet so I could look out at nature, but it just made more sense to make the room work a bit better to put the desk against a wall. So half of it is all of my work stuff, and then the other half of it is all of my makeups. So then I have my monitor and all of my different stands for either my computer, my phone, my keyboard, and then of course the mirror, so I can also get ready and double this as my makeup vanity. And then like I was saying, you know, the wall, I'm not really sure what kind of decor I want right now, but for now I have the calendar back and installed, so I think that looks really nice. And then these doors were originally mirror sliding doors. So I've had these doors for a while now, but they are now painted white with the little black doorknob. So love that. And then this is probably my favorite piece in my entire house because it displays all of my fun wallets and jewelry. I feel like everyone has their different thing that they like to spend money on, whether maybe it's like nice jewelry, nice shoes, makeup, whatever it might be. I would definitely say mine is wallets and purses, specifically Michael Kors and Kate Spade. So I'm really happy with the way this shelf turned out to display all of my favorites. So we have some of my favorite perfumes, pretty wallets, fun jewelry, silver and gold. I really love this jewelry display holder. It's from Amazon. I will link that down below, along with my display holders for my purses. And then this other acrylic shelf as well that I store some of my favorite wallets on. The shelf itself is from Target, and it's the same brand and color as my entry table downstairs. So I love that they will match if and when I move and maybe put them together. And then I just have some more of my purses, all of my fun hair clips from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Amazon, you name it. And then just some more decorations and then other little bins here as well. And then for those that don't know right off the bat, this is the Alex desk from IKEA. And then this chair is from Office Max or Office Depot, but I've also linked a very similar one on my Amazon storefront as well. And then something a bit newer is I have these white curtains. These are from IKEA. And then this is some blackout shades that my boyfriend and I installed a couple months ago. One of the last random things that I wanted to do in this house was to replace all of the old blinds, because when I bought the house, half of the rooms had new blinds and half of them had the old plastic blinds, and I was like, why wouldn't they replace all the blinds at once? I apologize. Blinds are very, very expensive, so I understand why they picked which windows deserved new blinds and which didn't. So during some sort of sale, I replaced the rest of the blinds. So these are blackout because I just figured that made the most sense, because I currently have this as a guest room and I have blackout blinds in my bedroom. So I figured if there was a guest staying here, they also deserved blackout blinds as well. And then just to think in the future, if I were to rent this place out or sell it, this would probably be a second bedroom for whoever those future people might be. And then moving along here, we have my favorite fake plant from Michael's, and then the day bed, which is Christmas-fied since it's almost December. And then underneath, I just have my walking treadmill that could slide a bit further underneath, but it's just there for now. And then I just have a couple pictures with my best friends and boyfriend. But the daybed is definitely a big furniture piece, but it really works well in the space, and then it also doubles as a little couch if somebody wanted to just sit and chill with me while I was working. Or if I simply get lazy and want to use the monitor as a little TV and lay here and watch YouTube or Netflix, because it also works that way. But that is the finished repainted office transformation and office tour. I am so excited to finally have this office feel and work like an office, because although it sounds silly that I just needed it to be repainted to be a lighter color, it really makes the space and it makes me excited to use the office again. So thank you guys all so much for watching this video, and make sure to check out Merit's Black Friday sale. Again, I will have them linked down below. But thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a good holiday. I'm about to start decorating for Christmas, so I can't wait to vlog that experience for ya. All right, bye guys.